Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete emails in Outlook. This is a useful skill when you want to completely remove sensitive or unwanted emails from your account, ensuring they can't be recovered later. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your device. Once it launches, log into your account using your credentials. Give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so everything is accessible and ready to work with. Now that your inbox has fully loaded, it's time to navigate to where your deleted emails are stored. Head over to your trash folder, which is where Outlook automatically moves any emails you've previously deleted. This folder acts as a temporary holding space before emails are permanently removed, so you'll find everything you've discarded here. Once you're in the trash folder, browse through and locate the specific email you want to permanently delete. Click on it to select it. This selection is important because it tells Outlook exactly which email you're targeting for permanent removal. With the email now highlighted, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the Home menu. Click on Home to reveal the toolbar options available for managing your emails. Within the Home menu, you'll notice several options for handling your selected email. Look for the Delete icon and click on it. This action triggers the permanent deletion process. At this point, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Outlook's way of double-checking that you really want to proceed, since permanent deletion means the email will be completely erased from your account and cannot be recovered. The message will clearly state that this email will be permanently deleted. To confirm and finalize the deletion, click on Yes, and that's it. You've successfully removed the email permanently from your Outlook account. This ensures that the email is gone for good and won't clutter your trash folder or remain accessible in any way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.